Hi, this is Andrew from bahamianboattrader.com. Today we have a 2007 27-foot Polar twin Yamaha 4-strokes, very low hours, 300 hours on them. Beautiful boat. Owner's asking $59,000, and you can see them for much higher prices in the United States, up to $80,000 and $90,000 for the same boat. Has a generator in it, a Westerbeek gas generator, and a nice cabin in there with fridge, stove, V-berth, etc. It also has a marine radar, as you can see. Alright, in the back there you can see a retractable ladder on the back. Here's the helm. Okay, comes not only with a radar, but also with a really nice big screen, Raymarine C120, as well as a autopilot that goes with it. All the digital gauges for Yamaha. And it also has the upgraded front seats here, the helm station. It's a beautiful boat. Great price for a boat that's only 7 years old. Here are the engines. Contact us on bahamianboattrader@gmail.com or give us a call at 242-427-3588. Thank you.